Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the COMFEE. In this video, we will dive into their features, specifications, and performance to help you make an informed choice. Whether you live in a small apartment or enjoy camping, these machines offer unique solutions for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring no electricity, making it an eco-friendly choice for those who want to wash clothes anywhere, including off-grid locations. In contrast, the COMFEE is a fully automatic machine that requires electricity, offering convenience and ease of use for those who prefer a hands-off approach. This difference significantly impacts where and how you can use each machine. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads or delicates. On the other hand, the COMFEE boasts an impressive 11-pound capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads at once, which is ideal for families or those with more laundry to tackle. This difference can greatly influence your laundry routine and efficiency. The WonderWash offers a simple and straightforward washing experience with no complicated settings, making it easy to use but limited in functionality. In contrast, the COMFEE comes equipped with 6 wash programs, including options for different fabric types and soil levels, providing versatility and tailored washing experiences. This feature set makes the COMFEE a more advanced option for users looking for convenience. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and COMFEE offer unique advantages depending on your laundry needs. If you value portability and eco-friendliness, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer convenience and larger capacity, the COMFEE is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.